Today I am featuring the ceramic floor and wall tile expert. Take a look at this insulation job and tell me if this guy is a good tile installer. A warm welcome to my channel. This is Troy. First thing first, there is a lot of confusion regards to laying tiles. Most inexperienced workmen or beginners don't know where to start. It is always best to start your laying of tile at the entrance of any building. Remember, everyone enter to the entrance of the building, and that's where you need to display the best of work. Remember, your building is like a masterpiece. When you do get this job done, it will be a display for a lifetime, so you need to get it right. Most inexperienced workmen will lay the tile sometimes from the corner of the wall to the entrance, or from the room to the entrance. That is wrong. Always start the laying of the tile from the entrance of the building for best tile install practice. Do remember to leave a like, subscribe, share, press the notification bell to see more videos like this. If I am wrong with my information, please let me know. Do remember when you are selecting your ceramic tile that there is a lot of different shades and style tiles out there. Nothing is wrong to get opinions with friends and family selecting the tiles you want, but remember, these tiles will be around for a lifetime. You are the one who will have to live with whatever tiles you select. So choose your tile smartly. Choose something you like, something you can live with. Always remember that. So after choosing the tile of your desire, the hard work is done for you. Everything is leave up to the workman now to do the rest of the job. However, if there's a particular way or suggestion you want this job to be done, you need to say it before. When the workmen start to work, there's much you can adjust and do after. So make a suggestion before. It's best to do so. Do you ever wonder why most new brand house when complete is painted white? It is not paint, it's primer. But most people prime the house and live in it for a period of time till they can officially paint it. So that's the reason why when most house is complete, it paint white, it is primer. So I only giving a little update on this. What I'm trying to say, it is best to prime the walls before you lay your tiles, because you don't want to mess the tiles up. So prime your walls. The tile work intend to look messy, but the tiler know what he's doing. You won't mess the wall up. And soon as the tile work is complete and the clean up, you don't want to do any painting and mess the tile up. So you prime the walls, paint the walls. Some people maybe can afford to paint the wall. So you prime the wall or paint the wall before the tiling. Because when the tiling is complete, just clean it up and everything just look super nice, and that's it. So this is just a little reminder. Some people may know, some people may not. So I always just like to give things based on what I know. That information is for the floor tiles. For the wall tiles, it's a different approach. You don't need to prime the wall for the wall tiles. It would be a waste of time and money. You will be installing the tiles on the wall, so you don't need to paint the walls if you're going to install tiles onto the wall. So just be clear of what I am saying. For the wall tiles, it's a different approach. If you're installing windows and the installer is there before the tiler, they can go ahead and install the windows. If the tiler is there before the window installer, make the tiler do him thing. It don't make a difference. Either or either. Whichever workman comes first, let they go ahead and do their thing. You don't want the window guy to be waiting on the tiler, and you don't want the tiler to say he's waiting on the window guy. The window guy cannot do anything to damage the tile. However, if the tiler is a good tiler, he won't mess up the window. So that is very easy. After the tiler lay his tile on the wall, now you can paint the wall or prime the wall rather. As I say, this white, it's primer, but they paint it properly and use it like a paint until they can paint the wall in the proper color. So you just put your wall properly primed and have things ready, because the faster you get over with these work, it's better for you. You don't want to have it lingering around and it take forever. Then the workman gone on the next job and you cannot get him to do the job. However, as a workman, you must always pay attention to whatever the person who give you the job is saying. If they have a suggestion or they are pointing out a particular thing they want to be done, it's always best to listen. Fail to do so will leave you in a spot that you cannot get paid. So listen and make a suggestion if it can be done or not. Well, if you are using burglar bars or grill, this is the last thing you want to deal with. You don't want to put the grill before the window. It can, but not best. And you don't want to put the grill before the tile. Some people do it, but it's not best. For neat finishing, the grill is supposed to be the last thing you put on the tile. So if you're using burglar bar, that's my suggestion with the grills or the burglar bar. Last thing. Know that the tiler is finished with the wall tiles and you install your fixtures and you install your floor, what do you call these things? I don't know what these things in the bathroom. It's not tile, but it's some fancy name. I don't know the name of it. So everything looking good and crisp, Yes, it's a job well done. You can get paid and move on to your next job. So this is all is it to ceramic floor tiles and wall tiles, and just do a good job. Make your customer happy. If the customer happy, you or the workman will be happy. You might be even get a little extra bonus. So that's my suggestion and teaching to what I know about this tiling and building, because building can be very confusing confusing if you don't know what you're doing. And if you get workmen who don't know what they are doing, if you know what you want, the workman know what he's doing, and you guys come together, great job. So until then, see you in my next video. Like, subscribe.